Hi, I'm Taylor and I'm part of the bio program here at Cazenovia College, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about how to measure dissolved oxygen found in lakes and streams. Have you ever thought about how dissolved oxygen gets into different bodies of water? Dissolved oxygen is replenished in the water by diffusion from the air above and is produced by the plants found in the water. Two different methods that can be used to measure dissolved oxygen in bodies of water, and today I'm going to be showing you one of those methods. So the first thing you want to do is fill the test tube up to 25 milliliters. Once you have it filled to 25 milliliters, you're going to take the ampule provided by the test kit and you're going to stick it in one of the divots and you're going to snap it off and allow it to fill with the water from the stream. Once you have done that, you're going to tip the ampule back and forth, letting the bubble float from the top to the bottom, mixing the stream water and the substance that was in the ampule. After you've mixed the ampule a couple of times, you're going to let it sit for 2 minutes, allowing the reaction to occur, and compare it to the dissolved oxygen in the test kit. After you waited a couple of minutes, you can then compare your sample taken from the stream to the samples provided by the test kit. You want to compare the color of your sample to the colors provided and determine the oxygen level. As you can see, the ampule we collected is between 8 and 10, which means the dissolved oxygen level is around 9, which means it is at a good measurement for the stream. Now that I calculated the dissolved oxygen found in the stream, have you ever thought about why it's important for dissolved oxygen to be found in water? Organisms need enough oxygen to carry out their life functions, like reproducing and breathing. If there's not enough oxygen found in the water, they will not be able to survive. Now that I've shown you the first method of how to measure dissolved oxygen in water, I'm going to cut to me performing the second method on the lake. I'll be teaching you guys how to measure dissolved oxygen in a lake. Here is a probe and a meter used to measure dissolved oxygen. You just stick the probe in the water, and you want to hold it as steady as you can, and then the measurement will show up on the meter until it stabilizes. Since we're moving a little bit, it's not gonna stabilize all the way, but as you can see, it's about at 9. Now I have the probe at about 6 meters underwater, which is about 20 feet, and as you can see, it's very similar to what the dissolved oxygen was at the surface of the lake. Similarity in dissolved oxygen is due to the turnover of the lake.